Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually join or enter the practice range. Basically, sometimes you will need to actually prepare yourself or warm up in practice range before getting and play your ranked games. So how you can actually go and enter this practice range, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your Riot Games client and then enter your login informations, email, password to be able to join your account. After that, this page shall be opened for you. So what I'm going to need you to do is go ahead and click on play, and then you will find all of these modes. So choose whatever you want from them and then go all the way down to here next to stars and leave part. You will find practice, so click in it, and here you will find these four options. You can choose whatever you'd like from them. So let's go for example for this open range, and let's click on enter range. Now as you can see, it will load, and basically it will not take that long for it to open because you will be alone, so it will be like zero latency and etc. So let's go ahead and enter. Let's it be so fast. Let's see, and here we go. So basically here we just have to pick your champion, and as you can see here, let me just go back here. As you can see, here is the practice range. You can practice in here, choose whatever gun you want, even use your ultimates, use in here for example. Let's take click on stars for example here, and as you can see here, you can just keep throwing your ultimate and trick practice, for example, whatever champion you'd like to practice with. And as you can see here, my latency is not really that big, but anyway, it does work. And if you want to go to, for example, to another like practice, you can just go here and try this, for example, spike rush diffuse. For example, here you can try whatever you'd like, and let me just type real fast. Okay, here we go. And if you want to go even more further, you can just go here, I think. Yep, here, and you can go and play this spike planting in this range against bots, and we can change whatever you like of settings. For example, you can even change like the hardness of the game itself. You can change bunch of stuff. So let me just die. I guess there is no bot. Okay, let him just kill me. Can you kill me, please? Alright, it's gonna take forever, so let's try to make him kill me real fast. So kill me, please, please kill me. Alright, so after he kills me, what I'm going to do is click on F2 or F3 in order to change the hard of the game. So if I click on hard, you will notice that the game is completely different. So let me just go here, and trust me guys, it is so worth to actually give it a try, because it shows you actually what are you capable of and what you are not capable of. So for example, here is the first one. Here, let's check if there's anyone in here. Okay, let's give it a headshot, and let's check if there's anyone here. So basically here we plant. Let's wait a little bit more over here, and basically here where the enemies are going to spawn. All right, and basically the hard mode is actually pretty much hard. As you can see, they can one shot you really quick. I think this is medium, so it is not the hardest one, but overall it is pretty much really hard to play with. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.